Hi, good morning, guys. I'll show you today the permissions and everything that the autoresponder app is using. So we're just going on the sheet and we're going to authorize it. It's going to ask me to select an email. It's going to be this header and we'll just continue. This is the permission. See and download your Google Drive files. The reason we need it so we can access this file, which is a log file with the log everything. View and manage spreadsheet that this application is being installed in. The same thing, the application is installed in the spreadsheet so it can see everything. View and manage Google Groups. This is used so we know if you are in our group, that means you have paid. If you didn't pay, you're not in our group and it's not going to run. View, modify, but not delete your email. This is mainly so we can view the email and respond according to the settings. Like you can see here the string that we are searching. This is the search string, and we search this, and whatever email we find, we respond if it's according to your timing settings. Otherwise, we skip the response. Allow this application to run when you are not present. So even your computer is off or anything like that, this is going to run in the background in the sheet. Display and run third-party web content spawns inside Google applications. So that's basically, as you're going to see in a minute, that there is a menu, and this is what we are using. This is the menu, Amazon Responder. So this is what we need. We also have it here in a document that explains more details. That we view the emails. It's used for searching emails by matching rule, to be used for auto replying based on rules that you have set. Creating sending emails, it's used for auto reply and the emails that match the rules. Gmail thread add label. We're going to add a label by the based on your setting that, like, if we responded, no response needed, we'll mark the thread as read so we don't respond again. Viewing labels, we're going to retrieve your labels so we can add it. And creating labels, if you don't have the needed label, we're going to add it. This is the Drive API, Drive search, and got the file. It's used for searching file for logs, so we can add the action that the script made. Spreadsheet API, it's the dialog controls and spreadsheet, the menu, the opening document, the show model dialog, which configures by the UI, and creating the documents groups. We can got the groups, got group email, got your role in the group. It's used for restricting of using script if you're not part of our group. And this is the property is getting the list of users to use the app, the user settings, saving user settings, and app script, checking if there's a trigger, and for creating the trigger and deleting the triggers. Now we're going to show you the settings menu. Settings menu, there's run. If you press it, it's going to run right away. Test, it's gonna do like a test, so you can see it's running, and it's going to show the results of the test. That it's not responded, it's disabled. Here you go back. This is the main settings. Here you can turn it on and off by enable. Filter to, if you have multiple emails coming in one Gmail, you can filter to which email we're going to respond for fry from. If you have multiple emails under your Google settings account, you can set from which email to reply from. Effective from, this is automatically changed every time it runs. Mainly it's from when it reads the email. As you can see, it's here in the search string. Respond to, you can make all, Amazon only, Amazon and eBay, Amazon, eBay, Walmart, or custom. Then if you do custom, you can put a custom string in here. No response needed. On Amazon, you can do 60 seconds or 30 seconds. But if the person responded within 30 seconds, we know it's automatic and we're not going to respond. Subject filters and body filters, you can put any type of text. If the subject of the body has that type of text, it's not going to respond. Check spam. It's also going to check the spam folder, as you see in the string. Email for reports. If there's an issue, this is the email we're going to email. There's a draft setting. That's what the draft is used. We use a draft, and that we use that as a response. Amazon auto reply. The default draft, or you can select any of the other custom. You can put a custom name, and then you can make that for Amazon use this draft, for eBay this draft, and you can also do based on subject. That if the subject, for example, it says shipping inquiry, then use a different draft, and then you can add more different things, different drafts. Office timing, it's when it's going to respond. It either works all the time, or if you enable, then it does not work in your office hours. So here you can put your office hours, it's not going to work. And you can put an override. So if you're going to be on vacation, or if it's a holiday, you can select a from to date and apply it, and that's it's going to respond. And let's say I do like this. So here's the date, and you can put a message type. If you leave it blank, it's going to use the default as you see, or you can put your own name to use for response. And this is the triggers, how often it's going to run by default every 10 hours, and you can change it. Thanks, guys. I hope you enjoy it.